Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Tuesday full of tinies. So I've got my binder here, which I do sell on my website, and it's this binder. It says Tuesday full of tinies, and then it's got a it's got a tiny Tuesday envelope, an extra tiny envelopes, a randomizer money envelope, and then 2 extras for you to do with whatever you'd like. Hashtag ad, that's over with. So I have $35 today. I'm not going to count it. I'm still feeling a little congested and all that, so I'm just trying to prevent anything that might cause me to sneeze, cough, sniffle. So we're not going to count tonight, but it's $35. I've probably counted it 100 times. So I am going to take out my 6 teeny tinies and put them here for a second, and then I'm just going to move this out of the way because it has extra tinies and I'm hoping we might need them. So put that over here. And then I've got my little tinies. So I have, this is a freebie on Bookish Mama Budgets, and I just shrunk it down a lot. So it's normally like a Monday mini size, like a mini size. So I just made it super tiny, which cracks me up. So this is a save $20. Bookish Mama Budgets. I'll put her in the number 2 spot. And then I have Saving with Sam. I have one left for a happy birthday. This is a freebie on her channel. Saving with Sam's awesome. Lindsay's awesome. So yeah, please check these channels out if you haven't already. So I have one left for that, and then I have another happy birthday one I'll probably put in because it's birthday month. Birthday was yesterday. And then I have Budget with Tiffany, her little Be Positive. This was one of her freebies, and I think I'm going to put it in this 5 spot. And this is another one of Budget with Tiffany. This is her 300 subscriber freebie, and this is on her channel as well. So go check her out. And Budget with Tiffany, and it's beach time, and there's 3 of them. And again, it's normally the mini size, but I shrunk it down to a tiny because why not? And then let's see, I'm going to do her in the 3 spot and happy birthday there. And then we have Becca Budget 777. This is also a mini size. This is a freebie on her channel, and it's just happy pills. And it does have little numbers on there. I don't know if you can see those, but I just am making each one of these $1 since I put $1 in each spot. And then this is one of my little Christmas ones. I have a bunch and I only need one more, so that will go in the number 4 spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed Monday Full of Minis. If you put in for to win the printable, I did release those names. So go check it out if you haven't already to see who won. I've already sent one off to the winner. So hashtag Boo is gone and at its happy home. So, all right. I feel like I should. Oh, money. I feel like I should have something in my hand. All right. So I've got $35. Each one of these gets $1, and let's get started. 4, 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. I was gonna say if 2 happens, I'd be so excited. 1, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. All right, timeout, Tina. Putting the other Tina to work. Still likes 4. 6, 5, 1, 3, 5. I hope everyone's doing okay for this Tuesday. I am filming this Monday night so I can edit it and have it up in the morning. I have been having fun watching everybody's Monday Full of Minis. There's so many good budgeters in this community right now that it's just so exciting. And I just love that people are taking control. Maybe not. Ooh, 2, yay. You know, showing interest in their finances and getting their finances in order. And personal finances is tough. I don't know if I've been doing this right. I've been talking. 2 again, yay. 2 again. So 2, yay, finally at the end. And 4. I think 4 was the big winner. All right, put the Tinas away. So we definitely got 1. So we will be coloring in this exclamation point. And we just saved $14. So this one is going to cover this spot I needed. Oh, so this is done. So it's $14. 6. I'm putting 17. I should put 18 because that's when this video is going up. Okay, so this one's done. So I'm going to put that in the back here. I have $2. So let's get an extra tiny. I meant to print more because I got more savings. So I feel like I should do another. I'm going to do another birthday one. I'm going to make each one of these little circles $1. So it's just going to be for $12. I like doing that so you can get to use more of them and show off more. But it helps if I shrink down more people's than just mine. Except for mine aren't shrunk down. Those are the size they are. Okay, so this is another happy birthday because my birthday was yesterday. Or technically on Tuesday, it was Sunday. If it's Tuesday, it was on Sunday, not yesterday. Okay, so this is the cutest. So I am just going to put 1 and 1. And so we have this one started. And then we can just put these $2 back here. So we're all squared away there. Let's go with my friend Budget with Tiffany. Today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5. So let's do 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So with my Tiny Tuesdays, I just keep all the money together because in that first part of my binder, I just can put all of my money in there and just combine it because I'm tracking it this way. And when I'm finished with one, at the end, I will just pull out $14 from that envelope and move it over to the randomizer envelope. So another one, Budget with Tiffany, that's normally a mini size that I shrunk down. Super cute. Today she got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. Yay. Okay, so we have, so that's, okay, so that's 1, so that's 7, so then 2, 4, and 6. Yay. Now we're all even. So I only have a little bit more, so that one's going in here, and then this money can go right here. Yay, we finished another one of mine. So we only need $1, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This must have been in the number 4 spot. Okay, so I'm going to take the $1 and we finished this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12. So this is $12. So 14 and 12. So far, we're doing good. So we have a lot left. So let's see if I can pull out another mini. I have a bunch. I need to print more. I have mostly mine. Okay. I really wanted to do, in alcohol's defense, I've done some pretty dumb stuff sober. So I have this in a few different sizes. So I have this in a mini and a tiny. It just cracks me up. So that is on my website. And then, yeah, I think I'll do that one. And then there's some more. Okay, yeah. I'll do that for now. Put these back in my little extra tinies envelope. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to finish most of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But that's good. We want to kind of go through them fast and feel like we're winning and doing well and saving money. All right, we have 2 more. So let's see. So this is, Lindsay over at Bookish Mama Budgets. I just bought more stuff from her, more stuff from Becca. I bought 2 other things today. I've been a little bit, Becca's like, do you have this in the budget? And I'm like, not really. Kinda. All right, so I got $4 in this one. So we have, looks like all ones. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $4 left on this guy. Put this in here. And then last one is Becca Budget 777, her little cute happy pills. Savings make you happy as happy pills. Super cute. She is has just started her Etsy and is doing really well on Etsy. She has a couple fun games. She has a clue game. She has a little monster match game. And now that I know how to play it. Okay, so for this one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So again, I'm making each one of these $1. $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we're about halfway done on this one. And then, so we have 2 completed, which I can't believe I didn't ring the bell. So we'll do it when we grab the money. Okay, so now we have enough challenges because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in here. And then this money can technically go back in here as well. And then now we just pull out, which I don't know why I'm doing it all backwards, but let's see, we need $14. So let's do a 10 and some ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's for this one. Yay. Okay. So that is $14. I'm going to put that in the randomizer. I'm going to put this guy in my completed challenge zipper binder because I kind of want to keep track of it, but I want to keep the money here for the randomizer. And then this one, we need $12. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12. So I will put that there. Yay, $12. Okay, so I'm back to having only ones in here. So that is ready to go for next Tuesday. Extra tinies, I need to remember to shrink some more down because I have so many in the mini size. And then now our randomizer money. Let's include what we got here. So we are adding 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and $26 today. Yay! Okay. Should we count it? I think we should because I'm curious. So today is the 18th. So we're kind of halfway through the month, a little bit more than halfway. We have 2 more Thursdays, I believe. Yeah, 2 more Thursdays. Really? It's Tuesday. 2 more Tuesdays, technically 2 more game nights as well, because some of that money does go into the randomizer. So let's see what we have so far. We have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. We have $90 so far in our randomizer. Very, very cool. And we're halfway there. So yeah, so that is good. And I think I'm going to update my categories for my randomizer. So this one, some of it might be the same, but some of it might not. I'm going to kind of decide what I want to do. So I do have that book one on my website, and then I have this one, which I started to fill out, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Sorry for the glare. But so we'll see which one I use and how that happens. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. I'm trying to make it a little short and sweet because I know some of my videos get kind of long, but I just love talking to you guys, or technically talking to myself in my office. But you guys seem to be listening, so I really appreciate that. So if you would just maybe leave a comment down below, say hello, tell me how your week is going, and if you haven't already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join us on this little journey of saving money and paying off debt and living the life we want to live. So hope everyone is well, and until next time, take care. Bye.